Hello children, let's start with chapter 8 Meal Plan. This chapter is divided into two parts. We are going to finish first part today. What do you mean by meal plan? It is planning of a meal for a family or individual according to body conditions, likes and dislikes, economy, etc. What is the importance of meal plan? Why we plan it in our day-to-day life? Meal plan helps to increase nutritive value of food by the involvement of various methods like fermentation, sprouting. It helps to save the nutrients while cooking of food, like peeling the vegetables thinly, washing the vegetables before cutting, using minimum water for cooking, cover the food while cooking. Meal plan brings flexibility. Like rice and dal is made for the whole family, but for the old person, if he is suffering from stomach upset, rice and dal are cooked together and more of water is added and it is made into khichdi. Meal plan helps us in the use of leftover. Whatever is leftover of the food for the one day, it should not be thrown. So it is used in the next day in a new form. Example, the rice which was left last day is changed into pulao next day. It helps in making low cost nutritious meals like almonds. If not affordable, peanuts can be used instead of that. It helps in saving time and energy. For example, all the preparations have to be done, peeling, cutting, washing of the food beforehand. Feeling of fullness is there. We include more fiber in a diet which stays in our stomach for the longer period and it helps in getting the feeling of fullness. What is the importance of meal plan? It helps in making the food attractive. Example, stuffed paratha can be served in the form of chapati roll. It incorporates variety, including milk in the form of milkshakes. Availability of food is there. This is according to the area wise. More of seafood for the people who are living near the seashore. More of vegetables are there for the people who are living on plains. Rock salt is available for the people who are living on hills. Likes and dislikes should be taken into consideration before serving a food. For example, a child does not like a milk, so force feeding should not be done. The milk can be given in the form of curd, cheese, ice cream, pudding, etc. Let's talk about the various food groups. Energy giving food is there. This includes cereals like wheat, rice, jowar, bajra. This helps in giving us vitamin B complex, fiber and iron. Sugar and jaggery are included in energy giving food which are rich in energy. Jaggery is also rich in iron. Then oil comes under this food group. Oil consumption gives energy. Vitamins like A, D, E, K because oil helps in the absorption of A, D, E, K vitamins. Nuts are included under this group which helps in giving omega-3 fatty acids which are good for heart. Next food group is bodybuilding. This includes milk. Milk gives us calcium, proteins and vitamin A. Meat, pulses and legumes which are rich in proteins and fibers. Next is protective food. All fruits and vegetables are included under this food group which are rich in vitamins, minerals and fibers. Then roughage is there like water and fiber. They are called regulatory food. Through this, our digestive system keeps working. They are present in fruits and vegetables in good amount. How to plan a balanced diet? Preferences should be always kept in the mind. As I told you, force feeding should not be done. Take a combination of color, cooking method, texture, flavor into consideration. Like roasting method is there, boiling method is there, shallow frying method is there while cooking. Serve well garnished food because man eats with eyes first. Seasonal fruits and vegetables should be included, which are rich in vitamins as well as they are cheaper. Food should be selected from each food group. In your platter, milk is also there in the form of a curd. Energy giving food should be there. Protective food should be there. Protein should be there in the form of pulses. Choose whole grains instead of refined food because outer covering of whole grains are rich in fiber and B complexes. Includes nuts in your daily meal, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, also provides energy. Include one serving as a meal. Limit the use of ghee, butter and cheese. Only 10 to 15% of energy in a meal should come from butter or ghee. Include fresh fruits, vegetables, which are rich in vitamins. No additional sugar should be required. Instead of sugar, we can use jaggery and honey, which are rich in proteins, iron. Include lean meat like chicken and fish. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Use of fruits as a snack, salad or desserts. They will give vitamins. Choose skimmed milk instead of full cream milk because less of fat is healthier for the body. With this, we have finished part 1. Take care.